Hi, I introduce myself. I'm Peter Crosby from Sabre Products on the corner of Crompton and Scott Road in Pinetown. And I just want to bring you this video to basically say to you that if you're looking for fibre in your area, especially up in the Hillcrest areas where there isn't fibre at the moment, like in the waterfall areas and around there, they've basically given me a mandate that if I can find a number of about 100 users within an area, they will make sure that they prioritize getting fibre to the home in those areas. And I want to show you the benefits of Mitsol in your area. So if you're interested, please give me your names and add them to the list below. There is a partition list. If you could just add your details to there, we can try and arrange fibre to your home as soon as possible. Anyway, so if you look at Mitsol and you go and look at their website, I just want to give you some benefits and reasons why I would go with Mitsol if I was you, and also why I would ask you to sign up with us. I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but simply put, if you go with Mitsol, they are a main core fibre supplier. So they supply the fibre, and the fibre that they supply, indirectly they supply to other installers or at least other service providers. So for example, if you have a look here at a Mitsol flyer with the different service providers that they provide service to, you might recognize some of these names. And if there's a service issue where fibre goes down, obviously these service providers must then talk to Mitsol to get the problem sorted out. So by dealing with Mitsol directly, which you'd be doing if you dealt through Sabre Products, you would be contacting and get your support directly from Mitsol. However, it's a sister company of Mitsol, which is called Resinet. So Resinet is a part of Mitsol itself. So that's basically it. So please support us so that we can support you and make sure that we get fibre in your area ASAP. Thanks for watching this video.